So one of the best combinations I believe you can sell with any print-on-demand products is combining seasonal with personalized opportunities for you to sell these things to your customers. And there is a specific season that's coming up in the mom niche that I believe will do extremely well if you are able to catch the trending designs early. And I want to share with you how easy it is for you to actually find these designs and start incorporating them into your own product listings. I want to share with you all of that coming up next. All right, so the space that I believe is a best area for you to create, especially for this time we're coming up to, which is the season for Mother's Day, is to focus on selling mama skinny tumblers. And as you can see here, there are a ton of already best-selling products and popular nows that we see here that's doing extremely well. And this is a mixture between, physical products and digital products as well. But the overall point here is that we're coming up to the season where people do want to have some type of personalized item. And again, get into a different category as opposed to t-shirts. We can focus on tumblers with the Mother's Day season and bring in some personalization. So there's a couple of products I want to share with you that's doing extremely well that you can redesign in your own unique way to actually capitalize on this trend. Now, Printify is going to be our main resource that we're going to use to sell these print-on-demand products and find these top trends. And the reason for that is that they have a ton of products you can create. Usually people just think about creating t-shirts, but there are a ton of things you can create here that you can sell on Etsy. And one of those things we're talking about today is this skinny tumbler with the straw that we can start selling on Etsy. And so there's a lot of opportunities here for you to integrate this over into your Etsy shop, but definitely following the popular trends we're talking about in today's video. Now you can get started with Printify absolutely for free, but they were also kind of give my audience a discount to their Printify premium version, which allows you to get a major discount on every product sold, as you see here. And you can get this for 30 days absolutely for free. Again, check out my link down below for the discount code for you to try this out on your own and to see if it is best for your print-on-demand business. All right, so the trend that we see that's doing extremely well here is adding in the specific phrase, which is mama, but adding in personalization. Now, this is one of the things I've talked about in my recent videos is that you can take something that's popularized on a t-shirt or a sweatshirt and take that same design into a lower competitive space, like in our case today, skinny tumbler, and add that design to fit that product. And this is exactly what we see here. Again, we see the mama just with some basic text here on the tumbler itself, but adding in some very basic flowers here allowed this design to pop out even more. And what definitely makes this product sell is that personalization. Again, personalization will be key for everything we talk about moving forward. But as you can see here, adding in some basic text with flowers on the side could be a winning design for you. Now, we can go a little step further by adding in some colors to this, mama title here, or adding in a different variation of the word mama. But we can definitely see that this is doing well. And this is one of the products that can actually scale your business, especially if you're trying to get out of t-shirts and into a lower competitive space. Again, taking something from a t-shirt and putting it on a tumbler is a great space for you to create, especially for this Mother's Day season. Now, here is another example of a similar product, but this is what I mean by taking it a step further and incorporating a different text design style with that phrase mama. As we can see here, this person here took a popular design style from a t-shirt and added it over here to this tumbler design, which we know leopard anything has done extremely well with t-shirts. And so they added in that mixture of text and leopard print here. And again, you see that same type of trend is being done here with that personalization here right in the middle. Again, I think we can go even further with this design by adding in some retro style type font designs instead of it just being a block text with mama. But again, this design style work, and of course whatever we see here working for one design could be moved over to a different space if we just change the mama here and add in a different phrase, or even targeting a different person like grandma or Gigi, or different terminologies for that person like nana. So there's a whole flood of opportunities we can do here in regards to these designs. And as you can see here, it doesn't take much for things to sell well. Now, this is a design that is doing extremely well right here. And so this here took the popular phrase, love them, raise them kind, watch them grow. If you have been selling anything apparel like t-shirts and sweatshirt, this is a common design theme here, that they have the text on top and then they have this particular flower with the text here in the middle. Now, if you stay to the end of the video, I'll share with you an easy place to find designs like this you can use on these Tumblr products. But the point here is that they incorporated that popular design style with the text here. They put in a popular phrase at the top, and anything wildflower moving forward is definitely a top trend. But what they also have in common here is this text on the bottom, which is that personalization. But as you can see here, a basic t-shirt design can be easily transferable to a new product category like this, tumblers, and do extremely well for this season. Now with this specific product here, even though it's not a skinny tumbler, one of the things I teach is finding designs that's selling well outside of your product category and add them here. And you can see this is a best-selling product. 64 people bought this in the last 24 hours, and it just has a simple design here by adding in Nana, which I said, focus on a different person and with a different title. So instead of creating things for mama, you can switch over in the Mother's Day season and create things for grandma, but putting in those different terminologies for that person like Nana, and still bringing in that personalization offer. So we still see the wildflower theme here. Again, that Nana over the tumbler itself, and adding in that small personalization that I think will do extremely well. And as you can see here, this person is offering that specific area to be changed in a different way to fit the person. But as you can see here, these are the opportunities you have to take something that's doing well here and adding that to the tumbler design you can start creating and selling on Etsy. Now, a great place to find this additional art to create these custom type designs here with the wildflower that we see here. We can definitely see these are doing well here. So we can head over to Creative Fabrica, and from here you can simply type in wildflower, and we see all these different wildflowers we can add to our design to make our design stand out even more. And that is exactly what we see here with these type of designs doing extremely well here that we see selling on Etsy. Now we could also go in here a little bit further, and instead of us having that basic text, we can actually add in some doodle letters to our design to make it stand out even more as well. And this is a great way for you to stand out above the rest of the competition, because as everyone's just doing basic tech design and some people are just doing the popular leopard, we can go a step further and add in different type of alphabets to actually spell out the mama or the Gigi or the Nana, utilizing some specific character traits with the design styles that we have. And as you can see here, if we just simply type in doodle letters, there are a ton of different styles you can choose that can really bring some great inspiration for you just to spell out that specific person's name. And as you can see here, someone has already done this with the grandma niche itself, and we can definitely take this over into our space with the tumblers and add in those designs here. And the reason why I like things like this is because people automatically use this for a t-shirt, but there are so many other product categories you can use this popular design trend and where you can still make a decent profit in return when you selling these type of tumblers. All right, so here is the design that we created in Canva, and all we did here was grabbed in some elements from Creative Fabrica and added in that here, as we did with the doodle letters here, added in GG, added in some personalization here at the bottom, added in some wildflowers that we know to do well, and we utilize some background paint from Canva to make this pop out even more. And once we save this as a PNG file, we can bring this over into our mockup area where you can see how this will look once we print this out. Again, that GG there in the middle, adding in that personalization on the side and the wildflower touch just make this stand out even more. Now, if you want me to do a whole tutorial of how you can actually create these type of products for these skinny tumblers, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll definitely make some videos of how you can create these type of designs. All right, so here is the skinny tumbler product that we're going to use here. And for us to start designing, we'll just click on this. And now we definitely want to add in our design that we created in Canva over to the space here. So I'll just simply drag and drop this over into our design space. And as you can see here, we have a perfect layout of our design. And if you do want to see the actual size you need here, Printify gives you that so you know exactly how to create your product. But in our case today, everything is filling out well. And we left these open here because we definitely want our product to be as seamless as possible. And you'll see that once we head over to preview. All right, so once we head over to preview, you can see this design look extremely well with that special text doodle that we added here with the GG here, just making that text stand out even more, adding in that wildflower on the side and that mixture of paint color in the middle to make that pop even more. And we see exactly how this look on the left hand side, which it looks beautiful with the print, as well as looking at the right hand side, adding in that personalization here that we added. And this is how it looks when it's in the back, making it look extremely seamless, so we don't have any breakage in design itself. Just leave it blank and open. But as you can see here, this is a great design you can start creating and selling on Etsy, and definitely adding in those variations to make your product stand out even more. If everything's good here, we can go ahead and save this, upload this to our Etsy account and start selling this on our Etsy shop. Now, if you want to learn exactly how to create print-on-demand products and actually get your business up and running, I have left a link to my free Etsy course sharing with you exactly how to start your own print-on-demand business. And if you like content like this and you want to see more of how to grow your sales on Etsy, consider subscribing to my channel here. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.